Hey everyone, and thanks again for stopping by my channel today. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to make Halloween gift bags. Also, I want to share with you how you can make cards with your Cricut Joy if you have one. Now, I've been wanting to make a video like this for a while now, but I had to familiarize myself with the products first. I recently purchased my Cricut Joy from Sam's roughly 2 weeks ago, and I bought it as an exclusive bundle deal. So inside the box were a lot of basic tools that you would need in order to help you get started with some of your first products. So let's get started. Okay, so these bags were very easy and inexpensive to make. Each item used to create this look was $1 from Dollar Tree. You'll need your bags, of course, some tiny paper clips. I also picked up some skull heads and mesh fabric. As you guys can see in the far right corner, I do have my little hot glue gun. It's plugged in and warming up for us. Now, aside from the candy that we're going to use to place in our bags, you can also use other little cool knickknacks like body sprays, hand sanitizer, candles, lip glosses, you know, things like that. Whatever you want to use, depending on the size of your bag, it's fine. Remember, guys, you can also size up or down. You know, it's just really your preference. So right now, we're just going to go ahead and load everything up into our bag. Because this will determine the placement of our paper clip. We also want to make sure that the bag is sturdy. Everything in it is like just enough to keep it standing straight up. So after that, we're just gonna place a small amount of hot glue back of the skull, maybe like at the nape of the skull head, and then we're gonna attach it to the paper clip. Now, it doesn't take long for the glue to set in to, form a hold. You don't have to use any other additional glues like maybe E600 or anything like that. You don't have to use that because the hot glue will work just fine. So, like I said, once that dries, we're going to go ahead and attach it to the bag. Now, you could take it a step further if you want to. I'm just going to be like a little extra. And I'm going to put like a veil. I've also made like some other little designs, like taking pieces from my hair weaves, like just cut them up and just hot glue them to the top of the skull head. Just whatever you want to do. Get funky, creative, just something different. And yeah, guys, that's really all you need to kind of make this look. You can improvise, put your own spin on it, whatever you want to do. It's totally fine. Cricut app, Cricut Design Space app in the bottom right corner. I've made several different projects before, but for the purposes of this video, we're just gonna find something, anything really. Now, I only have one size set of cards, which is 3.5 inch by 4.9 inch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select that just to keep from wasting precious time. This one is nice. I like this one. Yeah, I like that one. Let's go ahead and select the size. Make it
4-inch hook.
Okay. So we have that it's right over here for the card mat and then that size. So continue. The card mat has a light hold to it. I've used it several times, so I'm gonna go ahead and what I always like to do, even with the hold, after I insert it, I'm going to secure the perimeter of the card with 3 pieces of tape. This will just keep it in place so that it doesn't move as much while it's being cut. The last thing we need is to waste product. So I'm going to insert cardstock. It's asking for to load the red pen. It'll give you the instructions up here what to do. So I don't have a red pen, but I do have this black one. So you have to make sure your pen is actually inserted.